Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Cursor. First, go to DeviantArt, deviantart.com, and here in the search box, type in Cursor and search for a nice cursor you can see here. Keep looking until you find the best one. Okay, and let me pick this one. Now, remember this only works in XP. I mean this tutorial. You can download it in Windows 7 also. But the way I install is only gonna work in XP. I don't know if it's gonna work in Windows 7 or Windows 8. And to install, these are the cursors, and to install them, click on Run Cursors. Okay. And here, look, these are the file, and I don't want that one. Drag them and go up, select all these files now and drag them. And now let's search for look, these are the cursors we installed now. Working in background, just one arrow, text select, and I like this one for the text thing. Okay, now let's go and say mouse pointers and normal and text select. Go there, search for text select. Okay, and for handwriting, I think you already gave one. Busy, working in background, yeah. Normal select and go back. And here, working in background. I don't think that is a great symbol for it. Okay. What do I do? Okay, let me pick this one for this thing. Apply. And look, that's my cursor. And when you go here, I can't see it, so I would better pick something from the opposite side. Look, this one, alternate. Okay, apply. And look now, you could do this. It works. Working in background. And for that, I would pick busy thing. Or let me pick it for busy. Busy 2. Let me try it. Okay. Look, that is the way I want it, and you can select anything you wish. This is just a tutorial, remember. You can also download any other files in these. And that is the end of this tutorial. And thanks for watching. Bye.